Welcome to the second episode of Learning Python for Hackers. This time, we are going to make a robot that will hack for us. Well, not quite it, but something like that. Let's start making our robot. We want it to greet us when we open our hacking tool. We make that by using the print command. We learned that the last episode. Let's see the outcome of our little script we wrote. Nice, the robot is greeting us. Now we will learn a new command, which is input. The input command is a function and is used to get input from the user. It pauses program execution and waits for the user to type something, then returns the input as a string. Now let's see it in practice. The command is pretty simple, just watch me as I do it. The robot will ask us for our name, and then we have to write it. What's your name? My name is ScriptKid. Nice to meet your robot. The other thing we are going to learn today is variable. In Python, a variable is used to store data that can be referenced and manipulated later. You assign a value to a variable using the equals sign. Variables are like lists. For example, I will put my name in the list and now, name equals ScriptKid. In Python, we can print variables. What would you think will happen if I print this one? Let's see. It just says my name. That was weird. But what if someone else is using the tool? The robot cannot always say hello ScriptKid. We will use the variables and input together, and when another user types their name, it will use that name to greet him. Let's fix it. Let's make the robot ask for our name, and then use our name to greet us. First the welcoming, and then it will ask for our name with the input command. In Python, we can print strings and variables together, but we must know how to do it. We just add plus symbol in the middle of a string and a variable, but as we said in the last episode, strings should be in quotes. Cool, it worked. Now our robot must have some skills. We will make a new variable with the name services. These services will be hacking methods that the robot will perform, not actually as I mentioned. We will make the robot tell us the services when the tool starts. It will be like a restaurant menu, but with hacking. After we choose the service that we want, the robot must say that it is about to start. We use service equals input, so when we print service, the output will be the thing that the user typed. You will see it when we will run the code. That's how it should be. In this episode, you learned how to make your robot in a short period of time. Consider subscribing and liking the video for more content. That was all for today. See you next time.